This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Mazza. Stunning condo in the sought-after Gleneagle Villas. Open floor plan with vaulted ceilings, skylights and large windows filling the house with lots of natural light. Featuring granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, gas fireplace, spacious master west/a walk-in closet and storage throughout for all your needs. The covered lanai overlooks a private backyard with a pond and extra patio space that is perfect for enjoying the upcoming summer months. Steps away from beautiful trails, top-rated golf course, resort amenities and more the Semiahmoo resort community has to offer. For more information, review the details below or contact Mazza at 360-734-7500.